Hello and welcome. My name is Maurice Rothwell, International Trading Coach here at TradersClub24 in Hamburg. We're logged in for the DAX market opening trade today. Today is the 15th of September 2021, and here we go. Let me switch over the screen. So over here, we're going to come over to the MetaTrader 4 platform where we have our SwissBox already in our charts and our template already implemented. Simply what we're going to do here, we have our orange box, which is indicating our open range for this morning. And we can see we have a daily pivot and this purple line just here representing our big number. Simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a trade of what we call a C box, which is basically the top side of our open range box. And from this moment, once I've set that in motion, I'm going to click my entry. And as soon as I've got my entry, you can see that that area now goes yellow. So at the top of this yellow area, we have a green line, and at the bottom, we have a red line. These represent two pending orders. So the green one being a buy stop pending order, and the red one being a sell stop pending order. Simply what we're doing now is we're trapping the market between these two orders and waiting for the market opening to give its volatility. Depending on the direction of the market will depend on which trade we trigger. So if it goes up, we're going to trigger a buy. If it goes down, we're going to trigger a sell. Simple as that. As soon as those buys and sells are triggered, what's going to happen is we're going to have a blue line appear in the chart, and that is going to be our take profit. And then it's a simple case of us waiting for the market to reach our take profit. Once it reaches the take profit, it will close the trade. However, if the market then decides to take a turn and it's triggered the first trade, it's simply what it's going to do is going to fall past the red line, and we're going to open up into trade number 2. And from that moment, what's going to happen is our take profit, for an example, will jump from the top of our chart down to the bottom, and then we have a new target, a new take profit. And it's just pretty much us going with the flow of the market, following the volatility, depending on the direction in which the market goes, is depending on the direction that we are trading. So I think I have an example here earlier of one. So here we have a similar trade as our DAX, a topside C box, what we call it. So here we have our open range for the morning, and we have our big numbers, daily pivots and such. And I've created this trade, and as you can see, the market has moved through the bottom of our trap, our SwissBox, and we have our first trade, as we can see in the SwissBox. Currently, the trade's in a small drawdown of €1.50. However, the blue line here is our take profit, and as we can see, the blue line is our take profit of €13.98. Simple case that we're waiting for the market to drop down. Should it not drop down and continue to rise, we have another buy stop pending order waiting here at the bottom, as you can see here. So if the market now goes up, it will trigger that buy stop, and it will the blue line will move from the bottom of the chart to the top, and then we have our new target. So here comes the DAX maybe. And as soon as it goes past one of these lines, it's going to trigger that trade. And there it goes. The trade is now triggered. So now we have our first trade, and the blue line is our target. So we have 4 minutes until the opening. And it's a simple case of us waiting for the market to open and waiting for that volatility to appear. So good morning to Mike there in the live trading room. Thank you for joining. And good morning to the rest of you also. Thank you all for joining. So yesterday we saw a huge rise in the price of gold here. And now we're coming up to the last 2 minutes of the opening. So good morning there to Ali as well. So for everyone in the live trading room, we have our pending hedge release using the new function from the SwissBox also. So what we've got the hedge over here from Monday or yesterday in the FTSE. As you know, we're in the 7th trade. However, what we've done is we've come over to our other FTSE chart and we've just input simply the overall minus of that trade with our settings, and we've opened it up and we've set it as a pending order using that daily pivot as a sort of backing tool. We have 6 trades available to us. Should this one close, we can actually then come over to this trade and simply close it if we wish to. Simple as that. So coming down to the last minute now. So there goes the opening. And there we get that pre-market volatility come through. And as you can see, the market is now making its move. And there is the close of our first trade of the day. So that is the first trade, market opening trade in the DAX that we take every single day. It's as simple as that, folks. Every day, same trade, same place, same time, and same profits. So guys, please check it out for yourselves. Check out the rest of the videos on YouTube. If you want to test the tools out for yourself, please visit the website www.tradersclub24.com and sign up for a 30-day free trial. Thank you very much. Bye.